Good day. You all are invited to KP classes. Today's topic is friction in the flat color bearing. In case of flat color bearing, we should discuss single color bearing, also multicolor bearing. What is the frictional torque developed and what is the power absorbed in the friction should be calculated. Flat color bearing is of two types. One is single color bearing, this one is the single color bearing, and this one is the multicolor bearing. Outside radius diameter of the color is d1 and inside diameter of the color is d2. Similarly, r1 equal to external radius of the color and r2 equal to internal radius of the color. W equal to load transmitted to the color, mu equal to coefficient of friction, P equal to intensity of pressure, and N is the speed of the shaft in RPM. Considering uniform pressure, P equal to load by area. Here area is color is a ring type element, so load equal to W by pi R1 square minus R2 square. Therefore, frictional torque by using the formula T equal to 2 by 3 mu W R1 cube minus R2 cube divided by R1 square minus R2 square. This is the important formula for the color bearing. This is for the single color bearing. Considering uniform wear, C equal to W divided by 2 pi R1 minus R2. Frictional torque in case of uniform wear, half mu W R1 plus R2. This formula is for uniform pressure and this is for uniform wear. Power absorbed in the friction, P equal to T omega or 2 pi nt by 60 watt as usual in the previous topics. In case of multicolor bearing, here three number of colors present. But in question, some question asked what are the number of colors used. Then in case of multicolor bearing, we have to use this formula, P equal to W by N pi R1 square minus R2 square. For single color, P equal to W by pi into R1 square minus R2 square. These are the theoretical concepts. In this topic, we have to remember the formula P equal to for uniform pressure, P equal to W by A, that is the W by pi R1 square minus R2 square. In case of multicolor, P equal to, here n number of colors are present, so area multiplied by n. Pressure equal to load by total area. For n number of colors, n into area. These are the formulas. And the torque equal to, for uniform pressure, torque equal to 2 by 3 mu W R1 cube minus R2 cube divided by R1 square minus R2 square. And for the uniform wear, torque formula is half mu W R1 plus R2. This concept will be cleared by the following problems. Here we should discuss about two problems. Two are different types of problems. Please pause the video and note down on your copy. A thrust shaft of sheep has a 6 color of 600 mm external diameter and 300 internal diameter. The total thrust from the propeller is 100 kilonewton. If the coefficient of friction is 0.12 and speed of the engine is 90 rpm, find the power absorbed in friction at the thrust block, assuming uniform pressure and uniform wear. First of all, find out what are the data given. Here 6 colors, that means n equal to 6, it is a multicolor bearing. D1 equal to 600 mm external diameter 600 mm, R1 equal to 300 mm, which is equal to 0.3 meter. D2 equal to 300 mm equal to 0.3 meter, therefore R2 equal to 0.15 meter. Load W equal to 100 kilonewton, which is equal to 100 into 1000 Newton. coefficient of friction equal to 0.12, speed of the shaft is 90 rpm. From here angular velocity W equal to 2 pi n by 60 equal to 9.426 radian per second. First of all, we should calculate power absorbed in friction assuming uniform pressure. In case of uniform pressure, total frictional torque transmitted formula is T equal to 2 by 3 mu W R1Q minus R2Q divided by R1 square minus R2 square. By putting the corresponding values, this will become 2800 Newton meter. Care should taken while calculating the torque, the unit must be in Newton meter. Then power absorbed in the friction P equal to T into omega equal to 2800 into 9.426, which is equal to 26,400 watt equal to 26.4 kilowatt. It is the one of answer of the power absorbed in case of uniform pressure. Similarly, power absorbed friction assuming uniform wear, total frictional torque transmitted T equal to half mu W R1 plus R2. By putting the value of mu W R1 and R2, it becomes 2700 Newton meter. Similarly, power absorbed in friction P equal to T omega equal to 2700 into 9.426, it becomes 25,450 watt, which is equal to 25.45 kilowatt. Let us discuss another problem. A shaft has a number of colors. It is not given, it is also a multicolor. Integral with it. The external diameter of the color is 400 mm and the shaft diameter is 250 mm. If the intensity of pressure is 0.35 Newton per mm square, uniform, and the coefficient of friction is 0.05, estimate power absorbed when the shaft runs at 105 rpm, carrying a load of 150 kilonewton. And second one is number of colors required. In this problem, there are asked about the power absorbed and the number of colors required. Let us see what are the data are given. Here external diameter of 400 mm. Therefore, D1 equal to 400 mm, R1 equal to 200 mm, which is equal to 0.2 meter. Similarly, internal diameter or diameter of the shaft, internal diameter of the collar equal to diameter of the shaft. So, D2 equal to 250 mm or R2 equal to 125 mm equal to 0.125 meter. Pressure is given that 0.35 Newton per mm square is uniform. That is, the whole problem should be considering uniform pressure. Mu equal to 0.05, speed of the shaft n equal to 105 rpm, and angular velocity omega equal to 2 pi n by 60 equal to 2 pi into 105 divided by 60 equal to 11 radian per second. W equal to 150 kilonewton equal to 150 into 10 to the 3 Newton. First of all, find out what is the power absorbed in friction. As this problem is a case of uniform pressure, therefore total frictional torque transmitted T equal to 2 by 3 mu W R1Q minus R2Q divided by R1 square minus R2 square. By putting the corresponding values, we get torque equal to 1240 Newton meter, and the power absorbed P equal to T omega equal to 1240 into 11 equal to 13,640 watt equal to 13.64 kilowatt. Second one is the number of colors required. For number of colors required, we have to put one formula, P equal to W by N pi R1 square minus R2 square. By using this formula, we can find out what is N. In this problem, N equal to N comes out to 5.6. We can say that is the 6. That is the number of colors required for this is 6. If you satisfied with this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. As a result, you can get new notifications. The other videos are of my channel are given in the description. Thank you.